Ravi wasn't rich, famous, or special. He spent his days in a tiny shop, surrounded by old machines and the heavy smell of ink. But he had a secret, a hidden talent for design that he kept locked away because he was told to be realistic. Does your fear tell you the same? Stay with me, because Ravi's story is about to change how you see your own limits. Every morning, Ravi cleaned the floors and printed posters for others. He watched the world through a narrow window, convinced that a bigger life wasn't for him. He had dreams once, but responsibilities made them silent. Don't dream too big, he told himself. He wasn't failing because life was hard. He was failing because his thinking was small. One day, an old man named Mr. Ayer saw Ravi's secret work. He didn't just praise it. He asked a question that shook Ravi's world. If nothing was stopping you, no fear, no limits, what would you do? That night, Ravi looked through his small window at the vast stars and realized, your life stays small only as long as your thoughts do. Ravi didn't quit his job. He just started thinking bigger. He practiced 1 extra hour every day. He shared his work online. Slowly, the world noticed. When Mr. Ayer returned weeks later, he smiled and said, "You cleaned the window." Ravi replied, "No, I cleaned my thinking. Life changes only when the person inside changes first. Your thoughts build your future. If you think small, your life stays small. But when you think bigger, you grow. Not easily, but surely." Ask yourself today, are you thinking small because of fear? It's time to think bigger. Subscribe to Life Lesson Studio for more stories that heal the soul. Comment "I will think bigger" if you're ready to break your limits.